Good evening, Prashant. So, do you know why you're here today?
Yeah, I'm here for the interface testing for your website.
User interface testing.
Mhm.
Okay, so this is nothing much, just a series of tasks that will guide you through this. First of all, this interface is for a website called Wayfair. It's an online shopping website for furniture.
Okay.
So me and my team is working on the user experience and user interface. Some particular feature, we're trying to modify it in a way that will be more accessible for the users.
Okay.
Okay, so first of all, just tell me about yourself. Are you a student or you work in?
Okay, so I'm a bachelor student, I'm a freshman pursuing computer engineering at this stage. So
Okay.
yeah.
And do you have any prior experience with the user interface testing?
I mean, not exactly. I do have some experience in terms of coding. I do have some experience with Python and stuff, but interface testing is just like, giving my opinions on it. So
Yeah, perfect. So first of all, you can just go to your browser and go to the Wayfair website.
Website. I can see it.
Okay, so you can go to the. I'll give you some time to navigate through the Wayfair actual website. You can just share your screen while doing it.
Okay.
Yeah. And just play around with the features in there and let me know what you think about the website.
For the screen share.
Sure. Okay. And let me know what you think about the actual Wayfair website. All right.
It should work.
Yeah, that one. Google Chrome. Okay, go to Google Chrome. Okay. You good?
Yeah.
And now you can go to the link that I shared you, the second one after
Okay.
that I shared. No, it's already open, I guess.
Okay, this one. Oh. Yeah, this is the prototype.
Yeah, perfect. Now you can just go around with this and then let me know if you find any changes from the actual website. See any changes that you can go back and forth if you want, and you can check and find some changes that you can find. You can go back with the back button.
Oh.
Yeah. Do you see any changes?
Yes. So I see changes firstly in the fonts. Like all the fonts have changed. Like if you can check here, there's a big change in the fonts. And If you look at this, yeah, this is quite similar to someone's the same. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Essentials. Mhm.
Any feature changes that you can spot on the that's different from actual website. Any feature changes.
Let me check. Okay, so the location feature is available. Oh, yeah. Okay, so you guys have this location feature here.
Okay.
So when I add the address, I can just access the map and
Mhm.
so on. Okay.
Do you think that is like more accessible for you than the actual website?
Yes, it is because this one, as you can see, I can enter like several different locations. So let's say if I were to shift, right, and I made a purchase, I'd actually have to like go to the cart, order the product, and then change the website. But here itself, I can change the location whenever I want to. So that's nice. And I can add multiple addresses as well.
Perfect. Anything else?
Mm, and yeah, this one has like a very nice organization,
Okay.
like furniture, auto, whatever. And then you got the last one for the sale as well.
Mhm.
So you mentioned that here. And so far as let me see. So here's filters as well.
Okay,
Okay, there is limited switches that all the one who is blinking
Okay.
in
blue. That's
that's
where
where
the
the
interactable
interactable
section
section
you
you
have
have
in
in
this.
this.
Okay. Only the ones in
Yeah,
blue.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So okay, it's this and this.
Yeah.
Explore all. Okay. And yeah, I can see that you guys show the sales first. Like you guys show the previews of the sales as well. The Black Friday sales. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Now
now
let's
let's
go
go
through a
through a
series
series
of
of
tasks.
tasks.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
first of
first of
all,
all, uh,
in the
in the
header,
header,
did you
did you
notice any
notice any
change in
change
the
in the
header,
header,
like
like
compared to
compared
the
to the
actual
actual
website
website
in the feature
feature
wise?
wise,
Okay. Let me just compare them side by side. The
Mainly in
mainly
the
in the
header
header
error
error
section.
section?
section. So one thing is I see you guys have added the location right
Okay.
next to the website thing.
Perfect.
And if I check in with this
Yes,
Yes,
specifically
specifically
section.
section.
Yeah.
Yeah.
specialization,
So
So
I notice. Okay, yeah. So I notice here, like here, I have to click on the thing
yeah.
and I have to access it. So it's
Yeah.
much better than this because this one, let's say if I'm just gonna move my cursor around, it's gonna block my entire view.
Yeah.
yeah.
And at times, if I'm in a hurry to order something, or yeah, so
Yeah.
this one kind of blocks the website.
So
And
you
You
prefer a
prefer a
click-based
click-based
interaction
interaction
than an
than an
yes,
overall
overall
one.
one.
yes, the click-based one is much better actually
Okay.
because it does not block my view. Like
Yeah.
Yeah.
so it's better. This is like much more accessible.
All right.
So
All
yeah.
right. And
And
next
next
one
one
is
is
like
like
I'm
I'm
asking
asking
you to
you to
navigate
navigate
to
to
a
a
specific
specific
furniture
furniture
for the
for the
living
living
room
room
Okay.
without using your
using your
search
search
bar.
bar.
How do
How do
you
you
find
find
it?
it?
Oh, it's pretty simple because you have organized it here like really
Yeah.
well. I can just go here, living room
Okay.
furniture and sofas. I already have it available here.
Okay.
And yeah, I can just choose which sofa I want according to my price range. And yeah, and then you have like further like categorization here, like cabinets,
Mm-hmm.
console tables. Okay. And this is purely just for the living room furniture.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So if
So
you
if you
want
want
to
to
get a
get a
living room
living room
furniture
furniture
specific
specific
one,
one,
Mhm.
okay,
okay,
do
do
you
you
have
have
any
any
idea how
idea
to
how
do
to
it
do it
without
without
using the
using the
search
search
bar?
bar?
Yeah, sure. So all I can do is just go to the furniture and you can see it's already categorized here. We have living room features, we got explore all. So we can check this one, explore all. And yeah, we've got living room furniture first. And within living room furniture also, yeah, you can switch between the bedroom, you can switch dining room, but for now we're focusing on living room, so just this. So if we 1 second, let me just oh yeah. So you can see how I can just switch between like right now I'm focusing on the bedroom part, so we don't really
Yeah.
need that.
Yeah.
So if I look into the living room one,
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
oh, okay, this is already on the furniture for the living room, right? Yeah. So all I have to do is just double tap on the living room thing, and it has this one type of cutoff, which just takes me to the main thing, and this is all to do with the living room.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
so
do
do
you
you
prefer
prefer
Yes,
in
in
I
such a
such a
way?
way?
hmm
to do it than
Yeah.
like using the search bar or using the previous feature they had in the actual website.
Yeah, because this just makes sense. Because if we look at other websites, also sometimes in Amazon itself, if we search for a particular item, it shows us several different items which we don't really need. But here, it's when I press on the living room thing, it just shows me all the furniture related to just the living room,
Okay.
nothing else.
Perfect. And so, do you think in the such a feature like the feature that we introduce in the new version, do you think it will reduce the number of clicks that you use than in the actual website when you're trying to find the product?
Yes, obviously, because if we look at the website here, probably if I end up searching for furniture or rugs, can you see it displays so many options? And even if I put on sofa, it's gonna just show me so many things. And I find this much better because all I have to do is just double tap on this, and yeah, it shows me all the top offers for the living room
All right.
furniture. Yes.
And next one is if you want to contact Wayfair, the websites, like if you want to call, get their information, how do you do it through the website?
Usually comes to this one, all I'd have to do is just scroll down because if we look at here,
You can go to the
yeah,
main page.
yeah, usually on the main page, what I do is
Yeah.
on any website, usually all we've got to do is just I think like go all the way down, and they have this one thing where they let you contact them. So yeah, it's right here. Did I miss it? Yeah. So yeah, they have this one thing said like yeah, they have the quick help callers, they have the customer service with the number.
You can do that in the prototype one.
Okay, let me just check it out.
You can go home. Back.
Oh yeah, I got it. Hmm. Yeah, okay, I see it. You guys have made changes here as well.
Yeah.
You have one different section for the About Us part, which says the company service. One different thing about the shop with us, you have information about gift cards and everything. And then yeah, for customer service, you have like different what do you say, a different
Yeah.
yeah, you got a different pages of like all you
So,
gotta do is
do you prefer it such a way than the actual interface that they had in the website?
mhm. Yeah, because yeah, I'd actually prefer this because this has a much it's much more characterized because if you look at it, it has a better like categorization. Like you have one section for the ababas, you have one section for the shop with us, one for customer service, one for the resources, and then you got the contact us, the pick up and call.
And next task is if you want to compare two products and if you want to buy furniture and suddenly you have interest towards two specific furnitures and you want to compare it and find it. Like yeah,
Okay.
you can go to there'll be a specific furniture option in the main page. In this main page, so you can
Okay,
navigate
main
through
page.
there.
Okay, so we got this one, and oh, we have separate ones here. So if I choose, let's say this and this, okay, this is nice. Okay, so it gives me the difference between two products, the features, dimensions, the sizes. Okay, then the policies is listed below.
Okay, were you able to find such a feature in the actual website?
Um, oh no,
Yeah.
because when I'll go into the actual website, it just opens up another tab and it expects it's basically asking me to compare both the products myself. But yeah, if I look at this one here,
Yeah.
you have it side by side. You have a side
Do
by
you
side.
think this feature will help you while choosing a product?
Yeah, because it saves me time and I don't have to unnecessarily open up another tab and search for, and check it side by side myself because you have already done it here.
And do you have any idea how many features that now you have found out which is different from the actual website?
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, there are about 4 5 different features. Firstly, if we start with one is the difference between the two products, the comparisons. Then secondly would be you have the location one. Yeah, I can have multiple locations. Then here this one would be the click-based one. Like basically, let's say if I'm looking at furniture and I want only for the living room, like all I gotta do is just 1 second.
You should double click in the small box.
Yeah. So all I gotta do is just double click and it shows me all the furniture just related particularly just for the living room itself. It doesn't show any other products.
Perfect.
So yeah.
So
So 5 features on total.
and the
The
footer.
footer.
Yeah, there's a change in foot as well. I
Yeah.
think.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So do
So
you
do
have
you
any
have any
suggestion in your mind? Like which one would you prefer the most? Which one would you prefer like consider as the most helpful among these 5 features?
I'd say it would be the product comparison one.
Okay.
And yeah, because that just makes sense because you're just gonna, I can compare it side by side on one tab itself on one screen.
All right.
And yeah, it's much easier rather than just opening up another tab and checking both of them side by side, like going here and then coming
And
here.
which one would you think will be least helpful or we need to work on it a little bit more?
Let me see. Least helpful. I'd say it would be this one itself, because usually the only reason why people scroll all the way down is because they have an issue with their orders or they have an issue with their product.
Okay.
So yeah.
So you're saying that this doesn't matter even if you categorize, rearrange it or
Yeah, because I feel
Yeah,
like
okay.
it doesn't make that much of a big difference because
Okay.
you compare both also, you notice like even they've done the same thing almost.
All
They
right.
just kept it to here. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, and one more thing I think you can do is for the products, right? When we compare both of them side by side, if you could just add like the reviews as well, like let's say if
Okay,
I,
even customer reviews as well as
yeah, and it also says like it tells me which one has more positive reviews, which one has more negative, and like some of them which are it gives me all the comments and thing. Yeah.
And I
I
think
think
this will
this will
wind the
wind
whole
the whole
session.
session.
So
So
following this
following the
session,
session,
we will send out a Google form
Okay.
in
in
order
order
to record
record
your
your
feedback
feedback
and
and
your
your
satisfaction
satisfaction
level
level
for
for
throughout this
this
interview.
interview.
Okay.
And that will be the last task you need to do. It will take barely 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. And if
And
you
if you
recorded the
recorded the
whole
whole
session,
session,
Okay.
then
then
do I
do I
have your
have your
consent to
consent to
publish
publish
it
it
in a
in a
social
social
media
media
Yeah,
platform
sure.
for
Yeah.
for
for
experimental
experimental
purposes?
purposes?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
and I
I
think
think
that'll be
that'll be
all.
all.
You're free to
Free to
leave.
leave.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.